Welcome to another unboxing. This is for the Moment Superfish lens. For a couple of weeks back I got the Moment case for my Pixel 2 in wood. It's got a little attachment. And I finally got my first lens when they were on sale for the new year. So, this is a dreary day. We're recording by the window. And let's get this started. Let's open this puppy up. Moment Superfish. Oh, this is the V2, I should say. They launched those, I don't know, earlier this year. Obviously before the Pixel. Here's an example of what you can do with this thing. That is pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Looking forward to doing something like that. I'm not that skilled yet, but hopefully with this I can work my way there. I got a carrying case. It tells you what the field of view, I think that's what that is, 170 Moment logo. A lens cap, very nice. And the lens with a little peel there. There we go. It is pretty hefty. Lens for a smartphone. Never had this. Always seemed a little silly to me, but I've seen such amazing photos without a lens on my Pixel. Figured a lens could probably make some pretty cool photos. Let's put it on. I know. Could probably do better than just blowing on it, but that's what I'm going to do to clean off my lens. This is microfiber, so I can use that to wipe it off a little bit. You may notice there's a little notch right there, so I got to line up the line on the lens with the notch. Let's see how can I do this so I'm still in frame. Alright. Line it up. Oops, I'm lining it up on the flash. I line it up like that, and then twist. There we go. Now I got a lens on my phone. That's pretty cool looking. It definitely makes the phone heavier. But let's see what we got. Oh wow. That is crazy. I'll just show a quick change. Let's see if I can get my camera to focus on the screen a little better. There we go. Alright, and this is what it is once I take it off. Just keep in mind that field of view. Yeah, that's a huge difference. That's crazy. Alright, so yeah, that's the unboxing and a little glimpse into what it can do to a camera on a smartphone. They also make the cases for the Galaxy phones, Galaxy S and Notes series, as well as the iPhone. So maybe you'll probably see more videos filmed with this, and maybe about just the quality of it. Catch you later.